Hello folks. Well, today we're going to talk about small block Mopar engine brackets and mounts. So we put this engine in using a set of big block brackets and just something to get us by, to set us in, because these things were on back order and Mancini didn't have them at the time. There were several places I couldn't find the actual 340 360 engine brackets, and I'm not an expert on them, so help me out here. But from what I remember now, it's coming back to me. The 318 uses a slightly different engine bracket, and I can't remember if it's on the driver's side or the passenger side. And then the 340 and the 360, I believe, use this set. So before I get too much into this, when we set this engine in, we waited for a long time and said we have to move forward on this project. So at the moment, it's just in there temporarily with a set of big block. I believe those are big block engine mounts. I don't know if they're B or RB. I can't remember, but that just set us in there to get us where we needed to be. Yes, I know I should have waited, but we had to keep this project moving. So now we're about to put the right ones in. So I do want to say that when I found these on eBay, and I got them from, looks like it's called Norm's Speed Shop, and man, he's legit. And he sent these things. I mean, we had them, I think, like 3 days later. He sent them with all the hardware, even put them together for us, and he tagged them, so there's no even put on their driver's side. So we're about to put these in. I know Schumacher has them, a lot of places have them, and the places I looked at, they are not cheap. I guess people were throwing these things away. I don't know what happened, but these were actually, I looked low and high for these, and everywhere I looked, they were very expensive, and this was actually the most reasonable set. I think I paid $240 for this set. It was on eBay. I don't know how many sets he had left, but I knew I had to get them. But these are the proper mounts. So we're about to put these on, and once we get them on, and we'll show you what the finished project looks like. All right, I don't know, big block, I think. Don't know. One wrong motor mount for a small block Mopar out on the driver's side. All right. And that's it. So both sides are in. If you come over here and look, this is the driver's side. This is a pretty easy job, as everybody probably already knows. Driver's side, small block bracket, of course with the rubber mount. That's the driver's side. And then of course the passenger side is always one that's a pain in the rear, because you've got the fuel pump in the way and the alternator, but it's not bad. So you'll see it's got an extra hole on the back, from what I've read, and I think I remember it would always have an extra hole. Maybe that's to make it universal with a 318. I'm not sure. And here's one thing that's aggravating, in my personal opinion, on the small block Mopar. I do not know why they changed it. They should have made it the same from 273 all the way to 360. Why they did that, I have no idea. I think you can use a set of 318 brackets, but I think the thing was that you had to use a bunch of washers to shim it, because there's a big space on that one side. So that's where we're at, folks. We've got our new 340 360 motor mount. So this is just a quick video educating everybody, and I hope somebody got something out of this. Have a good day.